In ancient Greece, a sneeze wasn't just a reflex. It could be a message from the gods. Greeks believed sudden sneezing, especially during an important conversation, was a divine sign. If someone made a bold statement and another person sneezed at that exact moment, it was taken as confirmation from the heavens. In Homer's Odyssey, Penelope hears a sneeze after speaking of her husband's return and takes it as a sign her words will come true. Even the philosopher Aristotle wrote about sneezing, noting it was considered sacred because it came from the head, the seat of intelligence. So, in ancient Greece, a simple sneeze could mean fate had just spoken.